Center Speed, and I just got these from GameStop. So these are the Funko FNAF toys that I'm gonna show you right now. So I just got these from GameStop. They're at GameStop now, so it's only pack 1. So I'm gonna show you the first character I actually looked at. So here is the endoskeleton. Just gotta get the focus. Come on, get to focus, Jesus Christ. Come on, get to focus, Jesus Christ. So, here's the endoskeleton. Okay, so here is the endoskeleton. Chewie, you want to show off the last one when I'm done with this video?
Sure.
Just gotta get to focus. Come on, focus, Jesus Christ. It's like not even focusing. Okay, so there we go. There's the endoskeleton. If you can